After a long, windy morning, perched 25 feet high in my climbing tree stand, I decided to get down and move it to a more advantageous tree that I saw, or try to scout out a few trees and put eye brights in them. What I didn't expect was to see deer, or I should say to see a buck, and pretty cool because I clipped my GoPro Hero 7 to a sapling and decided just to get some B-roll and get some video of me walking around the woods in the beautiful foliage. And then this buck walked by, and what was pretty cool is not only did I get GoPro video of the buck, but I also got my Tactacam to get some video of him. So it's pretty neat. I hope you enjoy this. Mounting a Tactacam 5.0, I found that to be the easiest way to get great footage of bucks while I'm hunting, and mounting it to my bow, crossbow, or gun. And this way I'm not preoccupied with another camera arm, and I could just focus on hunting and focus on the deer just by pressing a button and not worry about the video. Right now you should be able to see me crouching down next to the tree, and then a deer in the background, a buck, is walking in the background that I later get a closer, or my point of view on, with the Tactacam. Right now you're looking at the GoPro footage from the GoPro Hero 7. What's nice is I don't need the distraction of a camera arm or a separate camera, since the Tactacam 5.0 is mounted right on my weapon. It makes it very easy to video without worrying about getting the video footage, or worried about hunting, or being distracted and not being able to take a shot if I needed to or decided to. I'm going to put a link in the description with the Amazon link for the Tactacam, the clamp, and also the GoPro. If you're interested in purchasing it, I do get credit from Amazon. It doesn't cost the purchaser anymore, but it does give me a little bit of credit. So if you're interested or just want to see what it is, just take a look at the link in the description. Some Tactacam footage from the bow, and I could have taken that smaller buck from the ground when I was looking for other trees to mark out. Hope you enjoyed this.